What's good, YouTube? What's good? I hope you all are well. Hope you all are keeping safe. So today's content is going to be a little bit different. This is the trade that I found myself taking on the 10th of June 2024. This is the exact same trade I'm finding myself sharing with each and every single one of you. Same trade, meaning the same methodology which I am using on a day-to-day basis, right? Why am I sharing this content with each and every single one of you? This is simply something that you can actually go into your charts and you can actually go and backtest this. With that being said, you will see a result, right? And based off that result right over there, you can now find yourself building a system. And a system is something which you are going to come to the charts and you're going to wait for specific things to find itself happening on a day-to-day basis. If your trade is finding itself opening up, cool. Cool. If you are taking a loss, you know what? Cool. Because your whole trade is predetermined. You already calculated what you wanted. It's a calculated risk. And your system is going to be based off that right there. So you're going to wait for a specific pattern to always find itself opening up. As you guys can see, I always just wait for higher time frame, major area of liquidity to be taken out. That is everything from the 15-minute time frame upwards. Anything below that, that is a minor area of liquidity. And that's just how I'm looking at it. So on a day-to-day basis, if we are finding ourselves, having a beautiful shift towards the upside during the New York session, New York Open, we are near a area of liquidity. In this case, it will be buy-side liquidity. All I'm waiting for is for price to take out my buy-side liquidity on my major time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame. And after that, all you're gonna find yourself doing is just go down, right? Go down on a lower time frame. Identify more inner area of liquidities you can find yourself seeing. More specifically, just look at the closest ones. The closest ones. If we are having a beautiful shift towards the upside, right? You want to see price create a high. You want to see price create that higher high when taking out that buy side liquidity. And after price takes out that buy side liquidity, you want to see price come down and take out that low it found itself creating, meaning you are having a lower low. Right? You have a change in market structure, and that's what you are waiting for on a lower time frame, and that can be your 1 minute time frame. You wait for that area to be taken out, and that's when you're gonna find yourself executing your trade. Most importantly, you have to wait for your pattern to come. You have to see your pattern. You're not just gonna find yourself entering just because. That's not how this works. I've literally just gave you a whole plan. This right there was the exact opposite. Make sure to go check out my videos. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I highly do appreciate each and every single one of you. You now have a system. Make sure you make use of it, and make sure to send me some results via Instagram. Much love from me, your boy D. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out.